Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to design a logo using Microsoft Excel. There are people who think that Excel cannot design, but today I'm going to prove you wrong. So how can you design a logo using Microsoft Excel? All you have to do, you will go to Insert, and then you go to Shapes. Then in Shapes, you are going to pick this object called donut, and then you draw like this. So after drawing, you'll have to come and click this middle part where there's yellow, and then you make sure that you resize it properly like that. So after finishing, what you're supposed to do is now to insert the wordings in between here. And what you will do, you will go to Insert, and then you go to Word Art. You come here to this text. You can pick any, but I'm going to choose this one here. So I type what I'm going to put there on that donut, and for this case I'm going to do this. And I can choose to reduce by highlighting, and then I go to Home, and I come here, I pick like 40. The size should be 40, and then I put it there. So once it is there, I'll go to Format, and then I go to Text Effects. Then I go down here where they have written Transform, and I click this one here. So once I click that, it means that it is going to give me the chance to curve this letter, to curve this text so that it fits in this circle like that. So you can see I have already curved, and I want to curve down here, which means I have to go to Insert. Yes, I'll go to Word Art once again, and I choose this one as I have chosen before, and then I come here, I type the text which is supposed to be down here. So this time around I'm going to change the text. I say education is better for all, like that. So I have to highlight, and then I come here to Home. I go to this one here where they have said degrees. You can use these degrees here so that you can reduce it. And after finishing, which means I have to click Format, and then I go to Text Effects. I come here where they have written Transform, and then I use this one here. So which means I have to drag going upward like this, and I choose this one. Like that. So I have already inserted that text in that box there. So the remaining thing is just to add some little objects here like star by coming here to Insert, and then I go to Shapes. So here I'm going to choose this star here, and I draw it here. So I'll still go to Format, and then I click, I just want to change it to, and put it to be like this one yellow, and then I change the outline color to be also yellow, or I can decide to say no outline. So I want to duplicate this same thing, and then I put it here, which means I have to click Ctrl D to duplicate, and drag it here. So after finishing, it means that I'm going back to Insert so that I can choose clip art. There is some clip art that I want to put here, this one here. So once you click clip art, you'll be brought here where you type like computer, and then you go, but it has already brought me here, so I'll have to choose this one here, and then I put it in the middle. So once it is in the middle, it means now I have to close here. It means I can go back to Insert, and then I click Shapes, and I go down here, I choose this one here, and I put it somewhere there like that. You can see. So I have already finished to design my logo. So the remaining part is just for you to change the color as you want, just like the way you do in Microsoft Word. So Excel also can design for you the logo, as you have seen I have done here. So guys, if you have a question, you can put in a comment section. Otherwise, I hope to end here. I request you subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.